Many of my patients comes to me after years of trying different treatment for their chronic pain, stress or recurring illness. They have been told that their condition is something that they will just have to live with. But deep down, they know something more need to be changed. Ayurveda, the ancient science of healing, understand this truth better than anything else. In Ayurveda, the disease or roga is seen as an imbalance in the doshas that is vata, pitta and kapha. When these energies are out of balance, they affect the body's tissue or dhatus and the digestive system or agni. These imbalances leads to the buildup of ama that we call as a toxins that can cause chronic conditions. What Ayurveda does is not just treat your symptoms, it gets to the root cause and your condition and heal it from within, restoring balance and well-being. In Ayurveda, we follow traditional diagnostic methods to understand your unique health needs. One of the most important tool is Nadi Pariksha, that is pulse reading. By understanding your pulse, we can determine the health of your doshas, your dhatus, that is your tissues and your digestive system. We also consider your prakriti, that is body constituent, and your vikriti, that is current imbalance. So we can create a treatment plan that is as individual as you are. Many chronic diseases like osteoarthritis, diabetes, PCOS and hemorrhoids seem difficult to treat, especially when using modern medicines alone. But Ayurveda offers a complete different approach. We don't just manage symptoms, we addresses the underlying imbalances that cause these conditions. For example, I had a patient who is age of 55 years old with severe osteoarthritic conditions of both knees, where constantly he has a inflammation and he was very in constant pain and he was diagnosed with osteoarthritic condition. But when we examine the patient with our Nadi Pariksha and all, what we understood that he had an imbalance in his Vata dosha, and because of this Vata dosha, he was getting severe pain, inflammation and many other kind of conditions or symptoms, that is like a stiffness, and we observed that he is going into a degenerative condition. So when we are thoroughly examining the patient, what we understand is like, see whether his metabolism is good, whether his eating habit is good, whether his physical activity is good, so whether what making his doshas imbalance, what making his dhatu imbalance. So once we understand the condition, so we will be treating him according to his body constituent, according to his dosha imbalance and according to his metabolic conditions. Based on that, we will be planning one tailor-made treatment for him, which may be Vasti, which may be Dhara, which may be Kili treatments, which will be not only helping him to reduce his symptomatic relief, and also it will be helping to cure him from the root cause, where he can see a changes in his pain and he can see the degeneration is stopping and it is not further increasing with his condition.